Today, we're diving into one of the biggest stories from the tech world in 2024: Apple's massive iPhone sales decline in China and Huawei's incredible comeback. This is a game changing moment in the smartphone industry, and we're breaking down all the details for you. Let's get started. 2024 marked a challenging year for Apple in the Chinese smartphone market. The iPhone maker experienced its largest ever sales decline in the region, dropping to third place in the annual rankings. Meanwhile, Huawei, a brand that had been overshadowed in recent years, surged back into the spotlight with impressive growth and innovative products. According to the latest Canalys report, these developments reshaped the competitive landscape in China's smartphone market. Let's start with the Q4 2024 numbers. Despite Apple maintaining the top spot for the quarter with 13.1 million iPhone shipments, it was clear that trouble was brewing. The company's market share sat at 17%, but its performance marked a 25% year-over-year decline. On the other hand, Huawei secured a strong third place in Q4 with 12.9 million shipments, also holding 17% of the market share. This represented a 24% year-over-year increase, a testament to Huawei's growing momentum. Vivo matched Huawei's Q4 performance with 12.9 million units sold and the same 17% market share, while Xiaomi and Oppo rounded out the top five with 12.2 million and 10.6 million shipments, respectively. When we look at the full year numbers, the story becomes even more interesting. Vivo claimed the top spot for 2024, shipping 49.3 million smartphones, while Huawei climbed to second place with 46 million units, showing a remarkable 37% annual growth. Apple, however, fell to third place with 42.9 million iPhones shipped, a 17% decline in its annual growth rate. This marked the first time in years that Apple faced such significant challenges in China. Oppo and Honor secured fourth and fifth positions, but both experienced slight declines in market share compared to the previous year. So, what went wrong for Apple? According to Toby Zhu, a senior analyst at Canalys, Apple faced multiple challenges in 2024. First, Huawei's resurgence, fueled by consistent flagship releases, posed a major threat to Apple's dominance. Second, domestic brands like Xiaomi and Vivo continued to innovate in the high-end segment, with foldable phones and advanced features capturing consumer interest. Additionally, Apple's inability to keep up with emerging trends like AI integration and the perceived lack of innovation in its latest iPhones led to a decline in consumer interest. Despite aggressive discounts and promotions, Apple struggled to convince Chinese consumers that its products were worth the premium price, cutting-edge features, and competitive pricing. It will be fascinating to see how these tech giants adapt to consumer demands and market dynamics in the coming year. Will Apple stage a comeback, or will Huawei continue its upward trajectory? And that wraps up today's deep dive into the Chinese smartphone market and the biggest shifts of 2024. What do you think about Huawei's rise and Apple's struggles? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.